Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to start a new chapter. The title of the chapter is Robinson Crusoe Discovers Footprint. Robinson Crusoe discovers footprint. Look at the spelling Crusoe. C-R-U-S-O-E. Crusoe, pronounced as Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe discovers footprint. So you understand meaning of footprint, very simple, and you can see picture of Robinson Crusoe is also given. Okay, you can see how he is alone, no one is visible around him, he is quite alone. Okay, and there is a footprint. पैर की निशान दिखाई दे रहा है उसको, आप देख रहे हैं ना पैरों की निशान वहाँ पर पिक्चर में on the sand, and he is surprised. Children, this story is based on adventure also, okay, suspense also. Now Robinson Crusoe is filled with suspense, doubts in his mind. उसके दिमाग में suspense आ जाता है, doubt आ जाता है कि ये क्या है, कहाँ से आ गया, because he thought that he was quite alone on the island. There was no one around him. He had no companion. But when he saw footprint one day, he was highly amazed, highly surprised, rather shocked. Anyway, come to page number 49. You will be able to see it. Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea. He had been alone for many years and longed for company. One day he discovers a footprint on the sand. Let's find out what he did then. This is the introductory paragraph of the passage. There are one or two new words for you. First line, destroyed. Destroyed, टूट फूट जाना, नष्ट हो जाना. Ruined. Destroyed means ruined. Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea. He had been alone for many years. For many years he was alone and longed for company. Longed means desired, wished. चाहता था कि कोई कंपनी हमको मिल जाए, कोई साथी मिल जाए. Okay, he was in search of a friend but could not. One day he discovers a footprint on the sand. Sand means बालू. समुद्र के किनारे, नदियों के किनारे बालू रहता है ना, of different colors. One day Robinson Crusoe saw a footprint on the sand. Let us find out what he did. Students, first of all I am going to read the passage for you. You will simply listen it very carefully, and you will also underline, notice the new words introduced in the lesson. Since the story is written by a foreigner, so there may be some unfamiliar words for you which I will explain you. One day when I was going towards my boat, I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. I stood amazed. I listened. I looked around me. I could neither hear nor see anything. I went up higher to look down. I went up the shore and down the shore, but it was no good. I could find no other footprint but that one. I went it again and see if there were any more footprints, and to tell if it had been my imagination. But I was not mistaken, for there was exactly the print of a foot, toes, heel, every part of a foot. I could not imagine how it came there. Now, new words in the first paragraph. See the second line. Surprised, amazed, आश्चर्य करना. One more word is there. Shore. Shore. S-H-O-R-E. Shore means नदी का किनारा, समुद्र का किनारा, उसको बोलते हैं shore. Beach. B-E-A-C-H. Another word in English. Beach. Shore. Okay, we come to the next paragraph. I stayed a long time thinking, but became more and more confused. Doubtful. Confused means doubted. Suspensed. I stayed a long time thinking, but became more and more confused. Robinson Crusoe was more and more confused. Come to the next page. At last, I returned home very frightened, looking behind me after every 2 or 3 steps, mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. At last I returned home very frightened. When he returned home, he was very much frightened. आप भी बहुत डर जाते होंगे ना कभी कभी, किसी डार्क प्लेस में जाने से डर जाएंगे, ये क्या हुआ? Or any other incident you must have experienced when you must have felt frightened. You know, it is a word, feeling word. You must have a feeling of frightened. Looking behind me after me every 2 or 3 steps, mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. Wherever he moved forward, he looked behind, and whatever he saw, just he mistook that it could be someone. That was by mistake only, since his mind was filled with fear. His mind was filled with fear. डरा हुआ था. When I came to my cave which I called my Kashil. See the word, new word, Kashil. Castle. Kashil means in Hindi, Mahal. Another word in English, Palace. Palace. Mahal. When I came to my cave, which I called my Kashil, you know, Robinson Crusoe used to live in a cave on the seashore. And the cave where he used to live, he called it Kashil, Palace. I ran inside it as if I was being chased. As if I was being chased. Followed. जैसे लग रहा था उसके कि कोई उसका पीछा कर रहा है. I do not remember whether I used the ladder or went in by the hole. Now once again he was confused. He did not remember how did he reach there. Whether using a ladder, you know, wooden ladder. In previous chapter, the word is not a new one. Wooden ladder, लकड़ी की सीढ़ी जिससे सहारे with the help of which you can go up, you can climb somewhere. Ladder or went in by the hole in the rock, which I called the door. I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. Now, because he was frightened, since he was very much frightened, therefore he ran fast and faster. I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. I did not sleep that night. The more I thought about what I had been, the more afraid I became. Look at see the word, the more. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became. The higher you go, the cooler it is. The more you study, the more expert you become. The more practice you do, the more efficient you become. The more expert you become in any subject, in any skill. See the word I've used of the more. The more I thought about what I had been, the more afraid I became. I thought it could be one of the savages. Now, what is meaning of savage? Uncivilized person. Savages means uncivilized. जो wild people. You know, nowadays everyone is civilized. No one is wild. But there was a time when people were there living in the forest, in the jungle. Wild people living like mostly people living in the forest, tribal belt. There was no sign of civilization. Primitive state. Man in primitive state. Savages. So I thought it could be one of the savages of the mainland who had wandered out to sea in a small boat. He thought that someone had come in a small boat to that land. Luckily, I was not on the shore at that time, but what if he had seen my boat? You know, since there was doubt, his mind is filled with doubt, suspense. Therefore, he is not able to ascertain whether his doubt is natural or unnatural. because he had not seen, he had not met anyone. Luckily, I was not on the shore at that time, but what if he had seen my boat? If he had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on the island and would soon return with others to kill and eat me. What he is thinking? Who would come and kill him? Some savages. Some savages. For that word, he has used, the poet is using, writer is using the word he. If he had seen the boat, he would have realized he is some alien, some savage, and he would come and kill him. His mind is filled with fear and doubt. And so I lay fearful for many days and prayed for protection. He prayed to God for his protection, safety. In doing so, I was much comforted and began going out to investigate in order to find out. Investigate means find out. But even now, as I went forward, I looked behind me frequently because I was still very frightened. Look at the word forward. Forward means आगे. The opposite of forward is backward. Forward, backward. Students, I will give you, I will send you list of opposites, okay, through WhatsApp, that you will note down in your notebook and learn it. Here, the opposite of forward is backward. We can have many more words: upwards, downwards, eastward, westward, like this. But even now, as I went forward, I looked behind me frequently because I was still very frightened. Robinson Crusoe was still very much frightened. He had doubts in his mind. However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and saw nothing, I became a little bolder. His confidence was a little developed when he did not see anyone. I decided to go down to the shore again and examine the footprint once more. Now he decided to examine the footprint once again. I decided to measure it with my own footmark. With the help of his own footmark, he tried to measure it. सोचा कि इसका नाप ले लें, देखें कहीं मेरा तो नहीं है. As I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Now he was confirmed that the footprint was not of his own because he had not come to that part of the land for several days. I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside the footprint, it seemed larger than my own. Now the footprint was larger than his own footprint. My fear returned. Now when he was confirmed that this footprint was not his own, once again his fear returned. I went home again. Do you know where was his home? The cave which he used to call Kashil. I went home again, believing that there was someone there. The island was inhabited. Now he was confirmed, he was confident that the island where he imagined to be alone, he was not alone, but it was inhabited. It was lived by other people also. Children, the story is written by, taken from Daniel Foe's Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe is name of a long story, and it is simply an extract for you. Now students, what you have to do, you have to read this chapter again and again. Read the chapter again and again, and you should learn meaning as well as spelling of unfamiliar words. Now in my next video, students, I will give you answers of the questions given on page number 52, comprehension questions. Okay children, thank you.